Question number 4 says that a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol is what we have to find out. So we'll first be writing the distance traveled in 1 liter of petrol, which equals 55.3 kilometers. The next thing that we have to find is the distance traveled in 10 liters of petrol. So to find that, what we can do is we can multiply the distance traveled in 1 liter of petrol with 10 liters. So that is 55.3 multiplied with 10. Now we have two numbers wherein we have one number which is a decimal number and then other number is a number which is a power of 10. So the decimal will move towards right. As many zeros do we have in the number which is a power of 10. So there is only one zero here. So the decimal will be moving one place towards right. So the answer for this question is 553 kilometers. That is, the two-wheeler will cover a distance of 553 kilometers in 10 liters of petrol. And this is how we solve this problem.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.